welcome back to the deep dive. So today we're going to climb up onto the digital rooftop, so to speak. We're exploring social media marketing specifically for your roofing business. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Social media, isn't that just, vacation photos, cat videos?
Right. That's a common thought.
But look, for a roofing company, it's becoming this digital storefront. Your potential customers, they're already there. It's honestly a potential gold mine.
It really is. And that's our mission today, really, to cut through all that noise. We want to show you how to actually maximize your roofing business's online presence.
Great.
We're going to unpack how taking a strategic approach can seriously transform your reach. You go from maybe a local whisper to, well, a roar.
A roar that gets you leads and jobs.
Exactly. More leads, higher quality leads, and ultimately more booked jobs. That's the goal.
All right, so how do we do that? How do we make sure the right people are seeing your stuff, not just anyone?
Okay. This brings us to something that's a real game changer. Hyperlocal social media advertising.
Hyperlocal. So ditching the generic flyers dropped everywhere.
Pretty much, yeah. Imagine your ads, your posts, showing up directly in the feeds of homeowners who actually need roofing services. Right there in the specific neighborhoods you serve.
Okay, that sounds much more targeted.
It's incredibly precise. We're talking surgical precision here. It's not just broad demographics like age or location anymore. Advanced platforms, think tools like Marketing 360, for instance. They let you target homeowners based on property age.
Oh, interesting. Like if the house is likely due for a roof replacement.
Exactly. Or even homeowners in areas just hit by a hailstorm or high winds. You're getting the right eyes on your content.
So the leads you get are probably much higher quality than people actively looking.
That's precisely it. High-quality leads who are genuinely searching for roofing solutions, not just, casually browsing. It's a huge leap forward in marketing efficiency.
Okay, that hyperlocal targeting, that makes a lot of sense for getting attention.
Yeah.
But what happens next? How do you build trust? Show you're the right company. Because it's not just about getting a click, right? It's about building that brand authority.
You nailed it. It's absolutely about trust and authority. Think about it this way. You start sharing, say, really good before and after photos. Show the detail in your craftsmanship.
Like the tricky flashing work or something.
Yeah, exactly. Or maybe a quick video tip on identifying storm damage, or just introducing your crew, showing the faces behind the work.
Making it more personal.
Right. These aren't just random posts. They become consistent, professional touch points. You connect with your community, you demonstrate your expertise, and you build genuine rapport, that kind of consistent presence. It builds confidence. People start recognizing your name, associating it with quality.
And that helps you stand out from competitors.
Miles ahead. Keeps you top of mind.
Okay, this all sounds fantastic, but I can almost hear some roofers listening and thinking, look, I'm busy, I'm on roofs, I'm managing crews.
I don't have time to become a full-time marketing manager.
Yeah.
Get that.
Exactly. So how do you manage all this without it taking over your life? This seems like where that all-in-one idea comes in handy.
You've hit on probably the most critical point for busy pros. Managing Facebook ads here, Instagram posts there, checking reviews somewhere else. It's overwhelming. That's where these integrated marketing platforms are invaluable.
Like the Marketing 360 you mentioned earlier, that kind of system.
Exactly like that. An all-in-one system consolidates everything. Imagine your Facebook ads, your Instagram campaigns, your content scheduling, even managing customer reviews, all in one place.
So it all talks to each other.
Precisely. Someone clicks an ad, the system knows. It can follow up, maybe show them more content, even prompt them for a review after the job's done. It streamlines everything, saves you so much time, and makes sure all your marketing is pulling in the same direction. Makes digital marketing actually accessible,
Yeah.
and efficient.
Okay, so that integration makes sense for efficiency. But why specifically a specialized platform? Couldn't you just sort of patch together different free tools?
That's a fair question. Why pay for Specialize? The core reason is simple. A platform like that is built for you, for the roofer. It's not generic.
It gets the roofing business specifically.
It gets the nuances, it understands seasonality, the urgency of storm repairs, how visual your work is. It knows the customer journey for your services. That specialized focus. It helps attract exactly the right audience and, crucially, convert them more effectively into actual paying customers.
Right. So pulling this all together then, your social media isn't just posting updates. It's more like a dynamic digital billboard. always on.
And a powerful trust builder, don't forget that.
Definitely. A trust builder.
And when you leverage a comprehensive, specialized platform thoughtfully, you're doing three key things. Strategically targeting, actively engaging, and effectively converting homeowners. That's the path. That's how you consistently generate more leads, book more jobs, and really grow into that recognized local leader.
So, something to think about as we wrap up this deep dive. How could elevating your social media game using this kind of strategic integrated approach, how could that help your roofing business really climb to entirely new heights?